Leftover Chicken Quesadillas by Chef Rose. So I'm using leftover chicken from my fridge. I'm going to chop it up into small pieces. Put that to the side, and I'm going to now smash a garlic. Adios ajo. Mince it up. We're going to be using a green bell pepper. Remember, this is a female one, so you can eat it raw. You're gonna dice it up, small cubes. Also put that to the side. We'll be cooking it later, along with the garlic. We're gonna rough chop this cilantro because we're also gonna be adding it to the mix. Saute that bell pepper and garlic, add your chicken, and mix around. Ooh, look at that cilantro. Yes. Let's add that mozzarella cheese and mix around for a little longer. Now we can build our chicken quesadillas. Add the chicken and cheese mixture, just a little more cheese on top for extra cheesiness. And we can toast on both sides for 2 to 3 minutes. There you have it, your chicken quesadilla in under 10 minutes. Enjoy!